Wrapper? Oh,
That's okay. Water. Oops, excuse me. I'm going to sneak down here to the corner now.
Yeah.
There's no challenge in that.
There's no challenge in that.
Did you read audio?
Yeah, I could put it back.
Locked in, Terry. Got your remote?
I'd put it on top one. Put it on top one. Put on that one. That hook.
Upper
right?
one? Go ahead. Locked in?
That's what you're spraying on it.
Pull up your brake tight. Tires right there. Yes. Going off the edge here. Go, buddy. Going. A little more, a little more.
This is cool.
That's cool, man. Over by your truck, man. We'll get some pictures there. That's awesome, man. Oh, he's got it over there. Awesome. What, we get some pictures. I've got one left over here.
Anywhere you choose, Stacy, is fine with us.
All right. Is there a club name or anything?
NBG Club. NBG Club.
We're simple folk. Yeah. Love Stacy. Yeah. I'll tell you what, man, I love Jeeps. Anything, you know, anything is four-wheel drive. Broncos, whatever. Yeah. There was some nice Broncos here. Yeah. That orange was really nice. Yeah, it was. The guy showed me a picture of a yellow one too. Had big black stripes on it. But I mean, you got to do so much to a Bronco to make it, you know, real stand up. With Jeep now, with JKs and the TJs.
I'm rolling a soccer mom Jeep.
Which one?
The Grand.
It looks good though, man. Yeah, it was a four-door Jeep. That's what my wife drives now. Yeah. And when that first came out, I'm like, Four-door Jeep. Yeah. That's like eating pizza with a fork, man. Well, we got one. It's like it's got the same suspension. It's like, man, it's.
You know what they call me? So I've got the red JK over there.
Yeah.
The minibus, was it the minivan?
Minivan.
SUV, school
Yeah.
bus. Go anything but.
Yeah. They do need a different engine, though.
Oh yeah.
That new Penn-Star is supposed to be a lot better. 290 horse.
Now, the Hemi
I'll tell you what,
drives right in
Stacy.
there.
The Hemi Swan.
Stacy, I'll buy the engine if you want to put it on the show.
Be careful what you
No problem with that. We'll get it really good.
Oh, yeah. There's all kinds of kits that drop those in quick.
Yep.
They fit there. Yeah, that's rigs.
$392 Hemi.
I just wanted to say howdy. And
Yes, thank you
It's good
very
to
much,
see you.
man. It was a pleasure.
Keep at it. I'm glad to see four-wheel drive guys at a hot rod show.
Yeah.
We got some strange looks coming in
It's
here.
all part of the same family, man.